Welcome. This video will show you how to use Dashboard to manage your organization's learning with ELSA. This video will show you how to sign up and log into Dashboard, manage your learners and admins, manage the learning content, and check the reports for your organization. First, let's look at how you can create admins accounts for Dashboard. When your organization's dashboard is activated, you will receive an email invitation to join ELSA as an admin. Open the email and click Accept Invite. After accepting the invite, you'll be redirected to the profile creation page. Just enter your first name, last name, and create your password. Then click Continue to proceed. Now you can log in to the dashboard using your login credentials via the dashboard link on the screen. You will see a pop-up window welcoming you. You will also see a brief explanation about the role admins and team leads, as well as next steps that you will need to do. Click Get Started to proceed. Now let's look at how you can create and manage teams of learners. It is easier for admins to manage the program and keep track of learners when you divide learners into teams. You can create teams through the Teams tab on the menu on the left, then click on the Create Teams button on the right. After that, a sidebar will appear. Enter the required fields, which are team name and email language to the team. Other fields such as job function, start, and end dates are optional. Next, you will be shown two options to manage the team's learning path. You can either let learners configure their own learning paths, or you can configure for learners. Note that if you choose the first option, learners can always change the learning path on their own devices later. But if you configure for learners, you will have to change it for them. If admin assigns learning path for learners, you will be directed to the next window where you need to choose the team's industry and job function and select the organization-specific document, if applicable, as the learning topics will be related to the specific team function and your organization document. If customer industry-facing function is selected, the AI tutor will assign customer-facing topics. Once confirmed, click Create. In the Team tab, you can see all the teams that have been created, including active teams and completed teams. To manage and edit teams, click the ellipsis on the right. When you select a particular team, you can view enrolled and invited learners and practice modules assigned to that team. To update team information, click the ellipsis on the right-hand side and select Edit Team Info. You will then see a pop-up windows to edit team info settings. It's important to note that changing the job function will reset the learning path for all learners in the team. This option is only available to admins and applies only when the learning paths are assigned by admins. Next, I will show you how to manage and edit admins and team leads. To invite new admins or team leads, please navigate to the Admins and Leads on the menu on the left-hand side, then click Invite on the right-hand side. Then select I would like to invite admins or invite team leads, depending on who you want to add. After that, you will see a pop-up window to enter the admins or team leads' email addresses. They will receive an invitation email from ELSA to join the dashboard. You can also invite them as learners, however, learner's license will be utilized if selected. Then click Invite. Once invited, the admins will appear on the Admin and Leads dashboard. You can select admins or team leads options on the right to view the respective list. You will see the list of admins or team leads according to their status: active, pending, or inactive. To manage the admins or team leads, you click the ellipsis on the right of the person's name and select Manage Role to edit this person's role, or make inactive if this person is no longer an admin or team lead. A pop-up window will then appear to allow you to change their role. Now let's see how you can manage learners in your organization. Click on the Learners tab located in the left sidebar menu. Then click on Invite Learners on the right to invite new learners. A pop-up window will appear where you can choose to add learners by quick invite, meaning you will copy and paste learners' email addresses, or bulk invite by uploading a list of learners with email addresses. You will be able to choose the email language and teams to add learners to. Invitation will then be sent to the learners. Please note that the first team that a learner is added to is his primary team. If this team is assigned a learning path, the learner will also receive this learning path content on his app. If you change a learner's team in the future, their previous learning path will be replaced with the new team's path. You can view the remaining invites by checking the learner licenses count on the upper right-hand corner. If you choose to add learners by bulk invite, you will see a pop-up window to upload the list of learners. You can download the file template that ELSA has prepared for you. Please ensure all email addresses on the list are error-free. Addresses with incorrect formatting will be excluded in the next step when you click the Resolve Conflicts button. Once learners are invited, you can view the list of learners according to their status: active, pending, or inactive. Active learners are those who have accepted the invitation. Pending learners are yet to accept the invitation. Inactive learners are learners who are no longer participating in the program. To manage your learners, click the ellipsis on the right of the learner name to view profile, edit profile and role, and to deactivate the learner by selecting Make Inactive. By selecting View Profile, you can see a learner's learning progress and activities, total learning time. Please remember to select the time period for the report on the right-hand side. By selecting Edit Profile and Role, you can edit the learner's name, change learner's team, and edit learner's role. Next, I would like to show you how to manage the learning content for your organization. Please navigate to the Content Management tab from the left sidebar. You will see two options, Learning Path and Practice Modules. Next, I will explain these options to you. The Learning Path feature enables your organization to structure and personalize learning journeys for your teams. By selecting Learning Path tab, you can view learning paths that have been assigned to teams, edit them, or create a new learning path for a team by selecting Create/Modify on the upper right-hand corner. To create a learning path for a team, select the team and organizational function for that team. If the team is customer-facing, check the box to assign customer-facing topics for their learning. You also have access to the AI Learning Agent feature, which enhances learning content by integrating company-specific contents into learning paths. To enable the AI Learning Agent for your organization, please contact your ELSA Customer Success Manager. By selecting Practice Module tab, you can view ELSA contents that you can assign for your team as their homework. You can click Search and Filter on the right-hand corner for quick navigation. Now let's come to a very important part, which is creating and viewing reports for your organization. Please note that on Dashboard, data is refreshed every 24 hours and displayed based on your organization's time zone. You need to select Date Range for the report on the right-hand side. Today's date is not selectable to ensure only complete, fully synced data is used. To view reports, click on the Insights tab on the left sidebar. You will see several reporting options. Choose the first option, Insights, to have an overview of the organization's performance. You will also be able to export the report to PDF by selecting Share on the right-hand side. Under Utilization Dashboard, you can track how ELSA licenses are utilized within your organization and send reminders to those who have not accepted invitation from ELSA. Under Learner Skill Development Dashboard, you can track your organization's improvement over time, including learner distribution and proficiency levels, and analysis of learners' improvement trends and most improved learners. If you go to Learning Activity tab, you will see learners' engagement level in the program, including their average learning time and completed lessons during the report period, and detailed breakdowns of their learning activities. You will also see the list of most engaged learners. In the Reporting tab, you will be able to export detailed report for all learners. Please click on the Filter button on the right-hand corner to filter teams shown and the report date range. Select the Column button to select data fields that you want to include in the report. Choose Export at the right-hand corner to download data. You can also access Speech Analyzer or Practice Modules reports by choosing respective tabs.